So this dance is called No California. It's 32 counts, 2 walls, beginner level. No tags, no restarts, and only 1 turn. Okay, so just going through the teach. So we start with cross-side sailor, leading with the right foot. So it's cross with the right, side with the left. Sailor is behind, side, side. Almost the same the other way. Cross with the left, side with the right, but this time it's behind, side, cross. So that section, just one more time with the words. So leading right, so that's cross, side, sailor step, cross, side, behind, side, cross. And that section with the count, leading right, so that's 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Next section, you're going to side rock with the right, recover left, cross shuffle, cross, side, cross, and then 2 rock and crosses, slow rock, left side rock, cross, and right side rock, cross. And when you cross, if you can go just slightly forward, you'll see I've travelled slightly forward. With those rock and crosses, that would be good. Okay. So just that section, you've just done your behind side cross, we side rock with the right, recover left, cross shuffle, side rock, cross, side rock, cross. And that section with the count, so as I say, we've just done our behind side cross, side rock is 1, 2, cross shuffle 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. The next section I'm just going to have to come back a little bit, that's not in the dance. So we've just done our cross forward with the right. We're going to rock forward on the left, so rock forward, recover. And then you're just going to do a quick step with the left, stepping beside the right, and then rock forward on the right, recover. And that quick step is an and count, so we're just going to rock forward on the left. I'll say switch for that step, so rock forward on the left, recover right, switch to rock forward right, recover left. So that with a count, so 1, 2 and 3, 4. Okay, we'll add that on to the next little bit of this section. Right shuffle back, and then a left coaster, back together, forward. So that whole section, we've just done our cross with the right, we're rocking forward on the left. So rock forward, rock, recover, switch to rock, recover, right shuffle back, left coaster, back together, forward. So that section with the count, just landed on the right foot, you're rocking forward on the left, so with the count, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. The final section, walking forward on the right, so walk forward right, forward left, step forward on the right, pivot half turn left where it goes onto the left foot, right shuffle forward. To finish the dance, it's a left kick, ball, point, and then you're ready to start again with a cross side sailor. Okay, so that last section, you've just done your coaster, walking forward on the right, so it's walk, walk, step, pivot half turn, right shuffle forward, left kick, ball, point. And that section with the count, so we've just done our left coaster, walking forward on the right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And then we're ready to start again with a cross-side sailor. So I'll do the whole thing all together. So leading right, cross-side sailor, 7, 8, cross-side sailor, cross, side, behind side, cross, side rock, recover, cross shuffle, side rock, cross, rock forward, recover, switch to rock forward, recover, shuffle back, left coaster, walk right, left, pivot half turn, right shuffle forward, left kick, ball, point. That with the counts. So we're leading with the right foot, so that's 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Rock 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Rock 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. I'll just do this wall as well so that you can see it from this side. So leading right with the count 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Thank you very much for watching.